So my tip for cleaning dirty bicycle cogs, which I'm going to use for a metalwork sculpture project. Once you've disassembled the cogs, leave them soaking in WD-40. You can just put them anywhere outside, you know, and yeah, leave them for a good 10 minutes, and then your mixture with your hot boiling water is some baking soda, some fairy liquid and a spray of this. Now this I haven't got a lot of, and I don't think I've got a lot for the second batch, but yeah, you can buy it from Savers and you'll be surprised how clean they come up. So now I'm with the boiling water, it's already frothing up, and in with some of the cogs are a bit stubborn. You can always take a scrubbing brush to those. And these literally took no effort at all to this. I love it.